everyone. It's time to check the progress of the building. I'm gonna take this driveway here. I'm not gonna go to the pathway we made because it's wet and muddy. It rained all night. It rained this morning, sorry. I'm eating bread. My mouth is full of food. Mag-videos ako kadiyot. Unsa adto na ka? Murag di malahos gina na may pindulon. Naligo ko kay labong na tubig. Oh, ginahinay kayo murag ihi. Nakas video. Hina hi. Hi fans.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Vlog. Look at my sister's nails. It's so maarte.
Oh, yes. How about yours?
Di ko magpahinlo na kay
Paarte.
hala oy. Hindi sa kumatos kahulian kay nagputol man dahil silang hingugi mo nilang pindulon.
Oy, kanang inigtaod sa silba.
And here's the progress. Da-da-dan. They already put the header and headers. I don't know what it's called. Headers, maybe header. And the pendulum. There they are. There is. I will show you the sample of this. It looks like yesterday, or no, a day before yesterday. These woods here were delivered. And that's why they were able to put those header there. I paid like 25,000 for this wood, including those ones that they already put. It's kind of high. Nakunsa mo dan? Oh. Hinay. Wa pa? Tarunga nga na di bulawan. So they are digging a hole for the pillars of the terrace that goes around the building. Ay tubig? Oops. Ay tubig? What? That's Badag and Jordan. Hi vlog. Ing nadayon dan. Dag. Kay may YouTube mo ka. Si Badag. That's Ate Diding's. Unsa ka pag umangkon ka dag? Ate Diding? Ate Diding's nephew. And that's Ate Diding's son. Uy, namalagi tubig diri. Wa ni tubig ganina. There's water there. It rained this morning. We'll check here. We'll take a look here. Hala. Ako nang gipalupdan atong bag-o pa. Palupdan na po niya. Wa pa na. Dinhi pa to ana. Kira na gaw. Magklaro ang mga beauty. Here's the view at the back side. Rare view. View of the rare view. View of the rare view. Ay katawadan. Uy! Coming! Kung kabantay nila ba sila? Sila ka... Gay ko kwarta be! Gay ko kwarta! Palita! Duhaon! Badji laki! Ah! So that's Kuya Flavio and Ate Mila's car. Their new car. It's like my car in the US. Matik ni? Views. Pareha jud kadak asa ko ano.
Baligyan na lang itong imo.
So that's it for today. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. God bless you all. Bye-bye.